Okay. This video is going over the new drop that came out Thursday. It's a very late video. Should have been made a while ago. Most of you've already seen the update, so this video does not really occur to you guys. But I just felt like it needed made. That's what it is. So in it, there's a new zone copier, which you can copy things easier. So there's a new chainsaw. Here. We had the wilds. There's this new chainsaw, has stronger knockback. And it costs 500 cotton and it drains cotton. So you can only use this in your private world or community world. It's pretty much just a baseball bat, but for cotton. But for creative. So this is pretty cool. Has some pretty strong knockback, especially when it's activated. The zone copier, it highlights everything, copies it, lets you paste it and stuff. I forgot what that was. Some new stuff. There's 5 new buckthorns and new construction site map, which is somewhere. Haven't even looked at it yet. And construction site is coming back. Construction site is actually an older map, not a newer one. The devs had it placed all the way in the community world called Tap Tag that they made. And this is where it was. That's why it's a Tap Tag game mode. Which is either the first or it's been a while since a Tap Tag game mode. And yep, I knew it. There was an item banner. Gosh dang it. Allowed items. They're like banned items. And they have it just like the other one. You don't have a limited amount of items. You run around, tag people. Just pretty much tag. There's probably some other blocks or new stuff I'm missing out on. That I'm missing out from here. But that's kind of all of the 2 main things, or 3. And that's about it. And